Hey everyone, gonna do a makeup demo. I did most of this side of my face already, so we're gonna do this side, just showing these amazing Doll 10 palettes that are out now on the website. You can save some money using my code DIANEMARY. The only things on this side of my face I didn't do, lip clearly, I'm gonna do that in a minute, and I didn't set yet. We're just gonna set my whole face together at the end. So what I did do on my face is I went in with the primer, Smooth Assist. Foundation I am wearing is the Doll 10 Peptide Bounce. This is the shade Light, which is my summer shade. I'm going to be switching to Fair Light relatively soon. The foundation I have on is TCE, which is my favorite, and this is the shade Fair Light. And then for the eyebrow, I did do both of them. My eyebrow pencil, where did I put that? Here we go. It is the Doll 10, the Micro Doll Pro, and that is in the shade Taupe. So let's get to using the shadow palettes. So these come in a set, or you can get them individually, so whatever you want. We're going to do the Caribbean in a compact first, and this is the contour and bronze and highlight palette. So pretty. So first I'm going to go into this shade here just for a little highlight. And by the way, these shades and the shades in the blush palette as well, you could totally also use as eyeshadow shades. So next I'm going to go into the darkest shade to contour. Start under the skin, under the chin, and it's gonna look really dark and crazy, but once I blend, it'll look like this side. And then once I put the powder on, it'll look even better. So let's do my stripe. So there we go, really quick. And you know, something that I really just love about Doll 10 is how quick you could do everything. So once I go to that palette, we're gonna do the Out of Office blush palette. For beautiful shades. Again, you could go into eyeshadows. I'm going into this beautiful pink shade. I mean, they're all beautiful shades, but this bright pink, I kind of just tap it in. You could also swipe if you wanted. I tap back and forth like so, and this looks crazy. I know it looks crazy. You don't have to tell me. I'm not a makeup artist, clearly, but I'm like, you know, if I could do this, really anyone can. Once I do that, I go in with this Doll 10. This is a double-ended powder brush. I always stumble. Speech impediment, guys. You know what? I actually in elementary school had to go to speech class, and it sucked. So yeah, be nice, please, internet. But this is where we start the blending. Blend and blend. Don't forget to blend down here. Almost forgot this existed. It's gonna look better. So we start the blending. We're not done yet. We're gonna go in with the brush that I did my foundation with, and there's two different brushes now for the Peptide Balm foundation. They came out with a new one if you don't like full coverage, but since I like full coverage, I stick with the original. So this is how we make it blend a little more. Still looks crazy, I know, but we're not done yet. Just tapping, blending, going like that. Okay, so once I do that, we're just gonna ease it up a little. I feel like in real life, it's not even like looking as much as it's coming out on camera, but it's okay. Okay, so that's good for now, because once we set it with the powder too, that also lightens it a little. Now the eyeshadow palette, Beach Please, so pretty. Really great, especially these shades to transition from summer to fall, but also all year round. So first what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna use that brush first. I'm gonna go in with this light shade here in the middle, and I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna go like this. And I do have concealer on my eyelid and brow bone as a primer. Actually makes a really nice primer, and this is like literally almost my skin shade, so you could barely see it, but that's okay. Just tapping and going back and forth. Then I'm gonna do this. We're gonna go into this shade right here, tapping, and we're gonna windshield wipe. Back and forth, just like so. Take a little bit more. Sorry if I'm off camera. I'm always messier when I decide to record things. Like when I like don't record it, it's just, I don't know, it's better. Then I kind of fan it out just to go underneath, like so. Then we're gonna use this really expensive tool. It's called fingers. So I think I'm funny. You guys are probably rolling your eyes at me. Ring finger, going in with this pretty shade over here. I'm gonna take this across the lid. And why do I do my mascara before my eyeshadow? I know that's really weird. I am really weird. And also not the norm, but because my lashes are so blonde, if I try to do my mascara after my eyeshadow, it gets all over the eyeshadow and ruins it. So once I get this all on the lid, I want to get a little bit more here. I do that, I'm going to go in with my middle finger. I'm going to go into this shade down here. I thought I used the wrong finger. And then I'm just going to go in the outer corner only. Take a little bit more. Tapping gently. It's really nice full look. So don't worry, this is not blended yet. Hopefully you realize that. Then we're going to take that. So then we're just going to go in with the brush that we did this crease with. Blending it a little. Going to take the one we had the white with. And that's going to make it a little even more less crazy. Like so. Kind of just go back and forth. Blend, 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 and blend some more. You're not sure, keep blending. Why am I singing? I'm sorry, internet. And then going with the foundation brush just to clean up a little bit if I kind of like colored outside the lines, as I always have my whole life. So it still doesn't, this one looks, I always with on this side for some reason bring my crease not as evenly as the other side, and that's just a me thing. But so that's good enough. So really pretty. We're just gonna set the whole face, and this is the yellow powder brightening treatment. I actually finished up the pink powder version, and this is just if you have redness in your face, the yellow would cancel it out. So going in with this Doll 10 sponge, just gonna tap it, and you're gonna see what it does to help both sides actually blend in a little bit more. Don't forget down there. Definitely want to do the forehead too, because it is pretty hot out today again in New Jersey, and I am going to be outside. Tap, tap, tap. Tap under eye. One of the many reasons I love this powder is you could bring it all the way up under the under eye, and it's not going to settle in the lines. So there we go. Bring it down there. I didn't need too much either. Tap, tap. Tap. Okay. I forgot to put the lips on. Oh my god, I wanted to do this in the beginning. Anyway, this is the Peptide Bounce. I can't believe I forgot this until now. This is the Peptide Bounce lip treatment in Juicy Strawberry. Really yummy and really good to hydrate the lips. This was supposed to be on that whole time. I cannot believe I forgot that. It tastes, I hope they make more of these just to have different flavors. No, but such an amazing lip treatment, and I can't say how much I love that you could put the applicator and you don't have to dip your fingers in. But yeah, that's it. Again, these palettes, they're really slim too, so if you did want to travel with them, it wouldn't be so bad. And they're just so pretty. Love the beach theme, and on doll10.com. So if you want to save money, once again, I know I said it before, use my code DIANEMARY. Hopefully you like this look. Hopefully you see how easy it is to use Doll 10 makeup. Cruelty-free, doctor formulated, always made with skincare ingredients first. These are talc-free. There's nothing you wouldn't want in them to harm you or harm your body. So thanks for watching. Yeah.